Hello everyone, welcome to the metaverse version of the NearCon. My name is Riqi and I'm very happy to see all of you here, physically or digitally. I hope all of you are doing well, and I'm really sorry that I can't be there in Lisbon to attend the Near conference due to the COVID situation. So today, I want to talk about the metaverse and our take on how Paras will approach it. Also, a couple updates from us, from Paras, and I'm going to end it with one big announcement. So let's talk about the NFT first. This year is totally owned by the NFTs. I guess $10 billion in trading volumes was recorded in the third quarter of 2021. And there are more and more people are going to the crypto space through NFTs, like from teenagers to big celebrities and influencers who have like this big following. Like NFTs are loved by people regardless of their background, which is awesome, right? And I believe NFTs will be the gateway that could make crypto goes mainstream. And the good thing is that we're still at the tip of the iceberg. There are a lot of verticals that haven't been explored yet, and that could be a good opportunity for everyone else to explore and try to build these new things in these new verticals. Like for us, it's really exciting. Like for everyone else out there that have these ideas and wanted to build new NFT project, well, feel free to contact us. You can visit team.paras.id and submit your message there, and we'll be in touch. We will be working with you closely from early prototype, strategy, like go to market, like all the technical stuff, funding, and grow it all together with you. So let's team up. And the next thing is, I want to talk about the hottest thing in the NFT space right now. I believe it is about games, but the blockchain games. As we all know, Axie Infinity is leading the blockchain games with a huge player base and, of course, the big volumes as well, which really paved the way for everyone to create another cool games, blockchain games kind of thing. And I mean, it's great. We all can learn on how Axie create these cool games, like for example, by utilizing this play to earn methodology and also this player driven games or like community driven games like what Loot Project and also Rarity Project did, which is proven to be working really well in the crypto space. And that's what all these people are looking for. They want to play this kind of game. And um, you know, what about us? What about us in the near ecosystem? Well, I believe we have a very great progress, and thanks to the Human Guild and also Near Games community, we have a lot of progress. Like shout out to Chacha, Vlad, Orsil, Crypto Garrick, and maybe some other people that really help, um, uh, you know, creating this great Near Games community. Like we onboard a lot of cool games, and I myself, like as a gamer, I'm really looking forward to play all these cool games that will be launched in Near because due to low transaction fee, like a very cheap gas here and so on. And like on-chain games is very possible in here, and I'm really looking forward to it. Like these are some of the games that I'm really looking forward and I already follow the development. Like for example, Nearlands by Vlad, which is like a 2D metaverse. Very cool. You can play around it. You can go inside it. You can chat with your friend, like voice chat. It's very cool. It's still early, but very cool. And everything is on chain. Like all the lands are on chain. The second one, like Dragoneer, which is like a dragon, like RPG dragon kind of thing. Very cool. We have Metamon by the Metaverse, something like a Super Smash Bros. So it's like a fighting game. It's gonna be like an esport, but on blockchain. We also have Galaxy Online for all of you like EVE Online fans who love like Space Wars game. At Galaxy Online is like your go-to games. Battlemon, Shroom Kingdom, like Crypto Empire, also Outplay games. There are a lot of games that will be launching on Near, and it's just it's still like maybe 6 or 7 that I just mentioned, and I believe there are like 10 plus more games in the Near ecosystem, and so the next couple of months will be very awesome because all this game will be launching and all of us can play the games. Very cool, right? To sum it up, well, crypto moves really fast, and there are a lot of NFT projects that you can explore, like from avatars and communities like Board Ape Yacht Club, also films like Stoner Cat. This is like this like an experimental NFTs films, NFTs movies, NFTs fractionalization, and also like this cool concept by charge particle like NFT bearing interest, something like that. And what about us? What about Paras, right? Our vision is to support and develop the crypto native IPs, and well, we envision in the next 5 year we will have like this big IPs like maybe the next Harry Potter, the next Star Wars, the next Naruto will be launched natively on crypto with NFT as like their first class citizen. And there will be a lot more interoperability and more use cases for these NFTs and thus forming the metaverse that all of us could dream of. And we want to expand the universe inside Paras by creating layers to the current digital collectibles. And so it's not only just visually appealing, but it has more layers on top of it. Like it can be used in games. It has some this cool narrative, some and something like that. And games, comics, and toys are the three verticals that are perfect to integrate with NFTs. And those three will be main focus. Will be our main focus right now. And with that, here's the announcement. Um, Very happy to share with all of you that Paras is launching a Web 3.0 native comic platform. It is called Paras Comic. The vision is to go beyond digital comic with high accessibility, just like all the digital comic out there. But it has this true ownership for all the comics that you collect. Like everything will be NFTs, from the chapters, issues to the collectibles, and there will be this cool, unique use cases for these collectibles that will be tailored to the author themselves. Like for example, if you bought this NFT, you will have this Q&A session with the authors, and your question might be displayed in the next chapter. And you can also probably get commission, have some fan art here and there, or like the coolest thing is you can even be one of the characters or cameos in the comic, which is very cool, right? And because everything is NFTs, you can also do a lot more with the chapters that you already bought. Like you can resell it on the secondary marketplace and part of the marketplace. You can fractionalize it and you can even land it in the future. The possibilities are endless. And we're also very happy to share with you that Paradigm, our first original IPs, will be the first comic to launch on Paras comic. And the first 3 chapters are free. So grab it yourself, read it, and tell your friend about this new things, this Web 3.0 comic. And another cool thing about the Paras comic is that you'll like every user will have a dedicated digital bookshelf that they can share with, and they can they can put the link everywhere in their social media, so everybody could see what they read, what they love. So we believe comic is one of the verticals that can make crypto go mainstream, and we want to be in the forefront of it, onboarding mainstream messages through narrative and visuals. You can visit Paras Comic by going to the comic.paras.id and give it a try. And I think that's it. Some updates from Paras, our announcement, and also like the NFT ecosystem as a whole. Once again, if you have cool ideas, please share them with us and see so we can see how we can work together to make it real. And thank you for listening and enjoy the NearCon, physically or digitally. And that's it. Cheers.